In a world where technology is constantly evolving, the Galaxy S24 series stands at the forefront, showcasing Samsung's commitment to innovation and design. Unveiled at the first Unpacked event of the year, this new line of smartphones is nothing short of revolutionary, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in handheld devices. The star of the show, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of perfection. Encased in a robust titanium chassis, the S24 Ultra offers unparalleled durability and an IP68 water resistance, ensuring that it can withstand even the most challenging conditions. The smartphone boasts a stunning 6.8-inch QHD+ display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering a visual experience that is nothing short of breathtaking. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform and runs on the sleek and user-friendly One UI 6.1. The S24 Ultra's camera capabilities are a marvel in its own right, featuring a 200MP wide camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 10MP telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 50MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom. This level of versatility and precision is a game-changer, offering users the ability to capture life's moments in stunning detail. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are no less impressive. The S24 features a 6.2-inch FHD Plus display, while the S24 Plus boasts a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display. Both models offer a 120Hz refresh rate and an IP68 rating, ensuring a superior visual experience and durability. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and running on One UI 6.1, these models offer a seamless and intuitive user experience. The S24 comes with a 4000 mAh battery and the S24 Plus with a 4900 mAh battery, guaranteeing extended usage time for those long days on the go. The Galaxy S24 series also introduces Galaxy AI features, powered by Google's Gemini models. This includes Live Translate, Interpreter, and Chat Assist, which revolutionize communication and interaction in today's globalized world. The series also offers AI-powered editing tools for photos and videos, taking mobile photography and videography to new heights. To top it all off, the Galaxy S24 series promises 7 generations of OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates, reaffirming Samsung's commitment to longevity and customer satisfaction. In summary, the Galaxy S24 series is a breakthrough in smartphone technology, offering a combination of power, versatility, and innovative features that make it a standout choice. With its robust build, state-of-the-art camera capabilities, AI features, and commitment to long-term service, the Galaxy S24 series is a testament to Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible. This is more than just a smartphone, it's a powerful tool designed to enhance and simplify your everyday life.